Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to answer relative frequency questions and how to calculate expected probabilities using our relative frequency. In this question, Shami asked 200 people from a town about their favorite type of TV program. On top, we have the type of program, and on the bottom, we have the frequency. The question asks us to find the relative frequency of reality. So, what is relative frequency? The relative frequency is just a fraction of the frequency over the amount of people you asked to answer the question. So, just to be clear, frequency is the number of people that answered a specific type of program. So in this case, we're asked about the frequency of reality. So we're going to find reality on the table. Here it is. And the frequency is 56. And like I said, the relative frequency is the frequency over the number of people asked. And the number of people asked is over here in the question, 200. You might think that we need to simplify this value, but for relative frequency, it's really not needed. Statistics and probability, it doesn't really matter if you round them or not. Now we're going to answer question B. The town has 40,000 inhabitants. Work out the expected number of people in the town whose favorite type of program is documentary. So, what we're going to do for this question is we're going to find the relative frequency for documentary, which is over here. The relative frequency is 16 out of 200. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this as a probability. So 16 out of 200 people answer that documentary is their favorite type of program. And we're going to assume that is for the 40,000 inhabitants. So now it would be nice for us to simplify it. So 16, 8, 100, 450, 225. Okay. So just to occupy less space, 16 out of 200 equals 2 out of 25. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this probability that 2 out of 25 people answer documentary and multiply by the number of people. Okay. I'm just going to use a calculator really quick to find the value, just because you're obviously going to have to do this by hand because it is a paper 2. But since I am not really in the mood, I'm just going to calculate it. And the answer of my calculator was 3,200. So our answer is going to be 3,200 people.